about a legal battle? Tonight, a local man who aspires to be a lawyer is taking on the American Bar Association.
He is blind and argues that part of the law school admissions test unfairly stands in his way.
7 Action News reporter Kim Russo has the story, new at 6.
This is one page from a law school admission test. It tells you to draw a diagram to answer questions to a story problem. Now imagine trying to do that if you're blind. One man says it's discrimination.
It's basically a setup for failure.
Failure is not something Angelo Bino is used to. He succeeded at learning 3 languages. He succeeded at graduating from college in 3 years. He succeeded at starting a career in Homeland Security. Then he tried to pass the law school admission test and got a 136. 4 points below the 140 the American Bar Association tells law schools they should require. So 50 questions needed pictures or had diagrams, and you missed passing by 4 points.
It hurts because in my heart, I know that if they give me that if I'm given a chance to go to law school, I'll be successful.
I can tell you as a lawyer, as somebody who practices in state and federal courts, that I've never had to draw a diagram to win a case.
Attorney Jason Turkish on Thursday will appear in federal court to fight for Angelo. They're suing the American Bar Association. They say it's been proven blind lawyers can be successful. Take Michigan Supreme Court Justice Richard Bernstein. He became a lawyer before the American Bar Association started demanding colleges require a passing law school admission test. In 2011, he pointed out one question on the test that would be almost impossible for a blind person to figure out quickly.
A sits next to B, and B is next to C, but D is next to A. Where is E if F is next to C?
You prepare for it as best as you can, but you're walking in knowing you're going to fail.
The American Bar Association says it doesn't comment on pending litigation, but that the colleges that turn students away should be held accountable, not them, for setting the standard.
You know, it's ironic. They're the organization charged with civil rights, charged with equality, charged with accrediting schools, but they're hurting disabled people.
In this brief filed by the American Bar Association, one of the biggest arguments, others should be held responsible too. But Bino says that if the American Bar Association changes its policies, the blind will automatically get more opportunities. Kim Russell, 7 Action News.
We'll let you know what happens with that one.